Welcome to Around the Armstrong Table. Today we're going to be doing some Chicken Fettuccine Alfredo. This is going to be absolutely delicious, and I can't wait for you to try this one. Enjoy. So to get this chicken fettuccine Alfredo started, we're going to start with the chicken and get it all seasoned up with a nice spice blend and some avocado oil. Once we get that done, we're going to take that chicken and we're going to put it into a nice hot skillet, and we're going to have the fire at about a medium-high heat. And what we want to do is cook these for about a good 5 to 7 minutes on each side, just until we get that nice brown outer coating on the chicken, and making sure that we flip each one of them so we can get the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to finish the chicken off in the sauce later on when we make the Alfredo sauce. So this will be a very, very quick dish, but it's going to be packed with a lot of simple flavor. We don't need anything crazy, just some good flavor. So I'm going to get some garlic chopped up, and now that we got the chicken exactly right where we want it, we're going to go ahead and put that aside. And we're going to get some butter into this pan. We're going to mix that all in, get the butter all coated around the pan, and now we're going to come in with that garlic. And of course, if you watch some of my other videos, you guys know that the ingredient that I'm going to add next, if you've seen my Chicken Alfredo video. So I'm going to add in about 1/3 of a cup of sherry, and that's just going to coat the bottom of the pan, but it's also going to add some delicious background flavor when we add the heavy cream and build this sauce up. So as you can see, I'm pouring in the heavy cream now, and that's about 1/2 of a cup. And I'm telling you, it's just gonna start to slowly develop a real intense flavor. Got that sweetness of the sherry, and it's just gonna be a great background note. So now that I got the sauce cooking, I'm gonna drop in my fresh fettuccine noodles, and those are going to cook really, really quickly. Like I said, this is a very, very quick dish, but we want to make sure it's packed with a ton of delicious flavor. So I got that going, and I got to come in with my Parmesan Reggiano cheese. I want to get that shredded in fresh, and you're going to see a ton of cheese. The more cheese, the better. And once you see the back of your spoon start to coat like that, you already know that the sauce is where it needs to be. I went ahead and drained my noodles. With this particular dish, I really did not need the pasta water. So I know some people like to have that, but in this case, we didn't need it. I want to please ask that you like and subscribe to the channel again. We're trying to grow this channel exponentially and just bring you good tasting food on a consistent basis. So now I'm going to get the chicken back into the pan, and this dish is pretty much done. We basically just want to get the chicken warm through in the middle. Make sure we can't have undercooked chicken, okay? So finish it off with a little bit of fresh parsley, and I mean, just look at that. It's absolutely perfect, simple, quick chicken fettuccine Alfredo. And of course, you know, when I plate it up, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that cheese, but you can't go wrong. And you can see, look how happy my face is. I'm enjoying every minute of it. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll keep the videos coming.
Delicious.
And I hope you have a good one.
On point.